versus the Pugas Elementary School. Introducing to you the official to handle this championship match. International referee, Martin Baldo, Chief Umpire. International referee, second umpire, Alvin Curtis. Introducing to you our visitors, who is about to gain the championship title, San Fernando City Striker Kids. Player number 1, player number 2, player number 3, player number 4, and the coach, Coach Crisaldo Palino. And now it's happy hosting, who is about to battle at the same level of authority to gain the championship match, the Pugas Elementary School. Player number 3, player number 2, the striker, player number 1, the tackle, and the coach, Coach Norberto De Lara. Ladies and gentlemen, your championship match. Players, the shaping official coaches handshake. Good judges, please. Madam, Atlanta, Doa number 1, Doa number 1.